In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a reference image in Krita. If you're drawing or painting digitally, having a reference right on your canvas can save time and keep your ideas consistent. A reference image is simply a picture you place in your workspace to guide proportions, color choices, or lighting without painting directly on it. Krita includes a built-in reference image tool that makes this fast and non-destructive, so your artwork stays separate and clean. Start by opening Krita and loading the document you want to work on, or create a new canvas. Give the canvas a moment to load so all tool panels initialize properly. With your workspace ready, look over to the main toolbox where the different brush and selection icons live. Find and select the Reference Image tool. If you're unsure which icon it is, hover your cursor over the tools until you see the label pop up that says Reference Image Tool. Selecting this tool tells Krita that you're about to place a reference rather than paint. Once the tool is active, glance to the upper right area of the interface for the Tool Options panel. This panel changes based on the tool you've chosen, and for the Reference Image tool, it provides the controls you need. In that panel, click the plus button. This opens a file browser where you can choose the picture you want to use as your reference. Pick an image that's clear, appropriately lit, and relevant to your task, whether that's anatomy, architecture, or a color palette, and then confirm your selection. Krita will place the reference image directly onto your canvas as an overlay associated with the reference image tool. This means it sits there for guidance while your brushes and layers remain unaffected. You can keep working on your artwork as usual, glancing at the reference whenever you need it. If the image feels too big or small for comfort, don't worry. You can adjust it when the reference image tool is active, making it easier to position it out of the way while still keeping it visible. High-resolution images are helpful, but try to avoid extremely large files that could slow down your system. That's all there is to it. You've opened Krita, selected the reference image tool, used the tool options in the upper right, clicked the plus symbol, and added your reference. With this simple workflow, you can stay focused on drawing while keeping your visual guide right where you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy painting!